Hi everybody, this is Cindy from Ideas Times 2. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share this project with you. It's a guest design team project for Lorna Taylor from Taylor Made Journals, and it's called A Winter's Tale, the kit that she designed, and it's beautiful, lots of blues and grays and woodland creatures, and it was just too beautiful to pass up. And so I made this journal, kind of small, just 2 signatures with a fair number of pages, but not too big either. And I wanted to share this with you today. So the cover is made from an old coat, and my sister Betsy had given me the coat to use to make tote bags. I sew. Betsy's a sewist. She's brilliant. I just dabble and hope that and cross my fingers that things don't fall apart. But I love to make tote bags and handbags and things like that. And so she gave me this coat to do that, and I had put it away and hadn't been really sewing. I've been spending so much time on journals. And when I saw this kit, I thought, that would be a beautiful cover, this beautiful blue coat. So it's just a wrap cover, and the book measures 8.5 by 6 inches by, I don't know, about 1.5 inches for the spine. And I sewed the signatures directly into the spine. The cover is a layered collage using one of the images from her kit, and I think this is Tim Holtz, from a Tim Holtz Christmas card, and one of Tracy Fox's labels right there. And so on the inside of the book, I have a pocket made from leather scrap, and inside I have just a number of different cards. This one is from that beautiful kit, as you can see. This one has owls, and then a couple of Tim Holtz and paper scrap. Probably don't need 2 of the same in there. Take one of those out. So the cover of each signature is cardstock, and this is Stamperia, from a Stamperia pack. That's maybe a couple years old. I had just a couple pieces left, and it was woodlands and winter, and I thought it would be perfect for this journal. So pretty much everything in the journal is from Lorna's kit, along with various paper scraps for my stash. And so the pocket here in the front is an index card that's been coffee stained and then layered with one of Lorna's images, and I think this is all from the paper. All the cardstock, I think, is from the Stamperia kit. And so this nice big tag on the inside with coffee stained paper on the back. And all the papers are coffee stained. There's some Christmas music, but it's really not a Christmas journal. It is winter, definitely winter. There's a tag and a card, and they're just blank on the back. A fabric tab, and the tabs that I used, Betsy sent me an amazing box of a Happy Mail, and there was a whole bunch of crinkle ribbon, and all of the crinkle ribbon was packaged with these, wrapped in these stamped fabric, and they weren't tabs, but they were just. I thought, I'm going to use those in this kit, so I took my crinkle ribbon apart, and they were pinned, and so I kept all those together. And I think in our Etsy shop, Betsy has a bunch of crinkle ribbon, and they're all packaged with these adorable different animal print stamps. Here's a book page, and I made this side tuck, and it has a card and a little piece of cardstock. A couple of cards in this envelope flap. cluster up there in the corner, different textiles and papers, another doily and book page. This side pocket has a collaged card with one of Lorna's images, another Tim Holtz card, and this is just a cardstock scrap. And the labels are also from the kit, as is the pocket. The coin envelope with the tag on the inside. And a quote that was also part of the kit. Silently, like thoughts that come and go, snowflakes fall, each one a gem. Center of the first signature is a small collage. Another fabric tab, and there's the other side of that envelope that I just put a piece of paper in there. Some antique ribbon from Norway. It had bunnies on it, and so I put a little bit of that in there. I don't know what these envelopes are called, but they're like for, like, you would get your key at a hotel and so a collage on the front and then a tag with another one of the quotes included in the kit. Kindness is like snow, it beautifies everything it covers. And that is just tucked in that little envelope. And the second signature has a big tag in the front as well. There's a library envelope with a library card and another Tim Holtz Christmas ephemera card. And this tab has a little hedgehog on it. Super cute. A little stamping. Some another one of Lorna's beautiful background papers. And a collaged vintage bingo card. And this corner tuck flips open. Some washi tape. A couple of cards. This one I think is from Stamperian. This is from Lorna's kit. A CD envelope, and it has a journaling card and a little cluster in the corner there for some visual interest. Some more of the antique lace. All the lace in here is that bunny lace, and so they're just little end pieces and snippets from that antique lace. It's a double pocket. Both of the pockets are from the kit, and here's a postcard and 3 tags, one with owls, one with deer, and this one is another one with deer and an owl. Super cute. And I printed those on cardstock. The center of this signature is a file folder, mini file folder, and inside is a pocket made from lace. And this actually was one very big card. I cut it down into 2 smaller pieces. And the button, this button I know actually was on the coat when I started to take it apart. So that's, and the coat I'm sure is vintage at this point. Not antique, but vintage for sure. Another fabric tab. Here's a side pocket with a small ephemera card, some washi tape on there, and this collage has a pocket with a couple of cards. Just using stuff from my stash. Little side pocket. It has some fold outs. another side pocket with another of Lorna's beautiful postcards, and then just paper fold out. Here's an envelope. This one is tucked, or is clipped to the side. I've collaged on the front, and inside there's some paper. And almost done. Another couple of book pages, end of the signature, and the back of the book. So sweet little book, just the two signatures and Lorna's beautiful kit. I hope you check out her shop, Tailor Made Journals, and I will put the links down below. And you can check out our shop. I'll be putting this in our Etsy shop, and I'll put the link for that below. And look for us also on Instagram and Facebook at ideastimestwo. And thank you so much for watching and joining me today. If you're not already a subscriber, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe. If you would like notifications, click on the bell. And have a fantastic afternoon. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye-bye.